slow, Mommy.
Ooh, and even the top opened. Cool.
Nick, it got the top open. And the glass door goes up and down.
Nice.
I locked the glass door.
I think Nicholas wants it up. You want it up?
Mom, I locked it.
He's waiting.
Nick,
Can you open it for him?
I'm gonna unlock it.
Nice.
Nick, I unlocked it. So, look. Wow. Oh!
Is that pretty awesome?
Smell something? Want to smell this?
It's kind of spicy.
Mom,
What?
smell it.
Okay. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, can you open the garage door for him, though?
But only this one though. Only that.
What about the bottom one?
It almost hit his head. Cause look at Mom, it almost.
Wow, that was super close. I'm glad you were going slow.
Don't touch that. I locked it. When you unlock it, it goes up.
Ooh.
And when you shut it, then you press this one, then it opens. I guess the lock's broken. Mom, the
I
lock,
guess so.
the lock is broken.
Down. Nicholas, what are you doing? No. All right.